So, without further ado, if I can welcome to the stage the wonderful, the brilliant, all the way from Northern Ireland, Miss Louise Brogan.
And if you're a solopreneur, I get it. People say the biggest question I get is, well, what do you put in your company page, Louise? You've convinced me I should have a company page, but what do you put on it? Do you put the same content on it? And I don't think you should put the same content on it. What are people actually searching for? What is it they're searching for? It's not what do you want people to think about you. It's how do you actually get found? I was looking at loads of different company pages before this week, and most people just have the standard information in here. So it's the same as on your personal profile. If you think about writing something in your about summary, really use the words that you have. You've got like 2,000 characters in here. So think about what are your products and services, who you are as a company, the value that you give people as a company. And of course, then you have, it has the number of employees and the year you were founded and all that stuff. But really use that other space and think about the keywords that people are looking for in there. So not the carousel posts that we find with our clients, but the multi-image posts where people are uploading multiple photographs onto their pages. And the second most engaging type of content are the document posts, which we kind of know more as the carousel PDF posts. The more followers and engagement you have on your company page, the more people are going to be interested in what your company actually does. The more the business will grow, the more secure their jobs are, et cetera, and the more work they get. All the things that make it a business and not just a solo performer. Hopefully today, I'll leave you feeling inspired with company pages.